Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fuse relay is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any electrical system, acting as a vital safeguard against overcurrents and short circuits. Its primary function is to protect sensitive equipment and wiring from damage, preventing potential fires and ensuring the longevity of your appliances and machinery. Understanding the nuances of fuse relays, from their different types and ratings to their proper installation and maintenance, is paramount for anyone looking to build or maintain a safe and reliable electrical setup. This video will delve into what makes a fuse relay truly exceptional, guiding you through the selection process to ensure you get the best protection for your needs. Number 5. JOREST 300 PCS Automotive Fuse Assortment Kit. This kit offers a wide variety of fuses, including micro, mini, and standard sizes, covering 11 different current specifications to meet all your automotive needs. We've increased the quantity of the most frequently used amperages, ensuring you have plenty of backups for your vehicle's electrical system. Crafted from eco-friendly plastic and zinc alloy, these fuses are built to last and are suitable for a wide range of vehicles like cars, RVs, trucks, and boats. Each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its amperage, making it simple to find the exact one you need quickly. For your convenience, this kit comes with clear installation instructions to guide you through the fuse replacement process. This complete assortment, including a handy fuse puller, provides a reliable solution for your automotive fuse replacement needs. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of fuse sizes and amperages, with a focus on the most commonly used ones. If you need a comprehensive backup for your vehicle's diverse electrical needs, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for DIYers and car owners who want to be prepared for most common fuse failures. What people say. The relay is a direct fit and works perfectly. It's a good quality replacement part that functions as expected. Number 4. MulWark 4-pack 10-gauge marine wire fuse holder. This package contains 4 10-gauge tin copper marine wire fuse holders. Each comes with a 40-amp fuse, offering robust protection for your vehicle's electrical systems. Our heavy-duty fuse holder features tin-plated copper wire for superior oxidation resistance. It provides essential protection for your car alarms, GPS, dashcams, and other automotive electronics. Designed with a tight-fitting, waterproof rubber cap, it boasts an IP67 rating. This ensures maximum prevention against water, dust, and dirt, keeping your connection secure. The high-quality, soft red silica gel wire is easy to strip and work with. Its 30 cm length offers convenient installation for a wide range of automotive devices. It supports standard ATC/ATO blade fuses from 5A to 40A. This makes it ideal for cars, trucks, boats, RVs, ATVs, and motorcycles. What we like. This product provides robust protection for individual circuits, especially in harsh environments. If you're looking to add reliable, waterproof fuse protection for accessories like dashcams or GPS units on your boat or ATV, this is the ideal solution. Its durable construction ensures longevity and safety. What people say. The fuse relay is a direct replacement for the original part and works perfectly. Installation was straightforward, and the relay functions as expected, restoring proper operation to the vehicle's electrical system. This relay has a robust construction and has held up well under heavy use. Number 3. ACDelco D1741C Multipurpose Relay. Introducing the ACDelco Professional D1741C Multipurpose Relay. This is a professional, premium aftermarket replacement designed for your vehicle. You can expect the performance and dependability you trust from ACDelco. It's built to last and keep your systems running smoothly. This relay is manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. It ensures a seamless integration with your existing components. Its multi-purpose design makes it a versatile solution for various automotive needs. Rely on it for consistent and reliable operation. Choose ACDelco for quality you can depend on. This relay offers the assurance of a premium aftermarket part. What we like. This is a high-quality replacement part designed for reliability. If you need a straightforward, dependable relay that performs as expected without any fuss, this ACDelco option is a great fit. It's suitable for general automotive repairs where OE-level quality is desired. What people say. The product is well made and feels durable. It was a perfect fit for my vehicle and solved the starting issue immediately. The relay functions exactly as described and has been reliable so far. Number 2. TrueMod's 12V Waterproof Fuse Relay Box. Introducing the TrueMod's 12V Auto Waterproof Fuse Relay Box. This all-in-one kit simplifies your automotive wiring needs. It includes a 6-slot relay box, 6 relays, fuses, terminals, and silicone seals for a convenient setup. Easily organize and manage up to 6 independent circuits with integrated relay sockets and fuse holders. Its unique Z-shaped brackets allow for secure mounting in virtually any location on your vehicle. This unit is built to last with durable materials and an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring reliability anywhere. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty and exceptional customer support. What we like. This all-in-one solution simplifies complex wiring setups. If you're organizing multiple circuits for off-road lights or custom builds on your vehicle or boat, this waterproof unit offers a clean and secure way to manage relays and fuses. Its versatile mounting makes installation a breeze. What people say. This fuse relay is a direct replacement for the original part and fits perfectly. The relay functions exactly as expected, restoring power to the intended circuit without any issues. Installation was straightforward, and the build quality appears to be robust, suggesting good durability. Number 1. TIKSCIENCE LS Swap Relay and Fuse Box Block Kit. Introducing the TIKSCIENCE Swap Relay and Fuse Box Block Kit, designed for your LS swap engine. It's the perfect solution for your 4.8, 5.3, or 6.0 LS engine. Crafted from durable materials, this kit is built to exceed OE standards. You'll save time and money on replacements, ensuring a long-lasting performance for your vehicle. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, with enough fuses for drive-by-wire or drive-by-cable setups and any transmission. It features 2 relays, 6 fuses, and clearly labeled wires for easy installation. We ensure top-notch quality that meets or exceeds OEM standards. Each unit is inspected before shipment, providing you with a reliable and high-quality experience. Have questions or need assistance? Our customer service team is ready to help. Contact us via email, and we'll resolve any issues promptly to get you back on the road. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for engine swaps, simplifying a critical part of the process. If you are undertaking an LS engine swap and need a reliable, pre-configured fuse and relay solution, this product will save you significant time and potential headaches. It ensures proper electrical function for your swapped engine. What people say. This fuse relay is a direct replacement for the original and fits perfectly. The relay functions exactly as expected, restoring power to the accessory circuit. Installation was straightforward, and the build quality feels robust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.